Good day to all. I'm K.Bakiyaraj, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of MBA at Dr. S.N.S. Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to discuss in the topic of marketing management. So before the last class we were discussed about the market and we were discussed about the other classification of the market and what are the scope of the market. And now we are going to discuss the topic about introduction to the marketing. According so marketing is where how the goods and your commodities or services should be transmitted between your prompt consumers, how you can reach your good with your customers in prompt time is it based in marketing. So according to the marketing as given by one author, according to American Marketing Association, so marketing is a process of planning and executing the conception of pricing, the promotion, the distribution of your good and services and ideas by the individual or maybe your organizational goals. So either the marketing is given whether you have been transmitting the goods or your promotions or your services between either by the individual person or you can be transmitting the goods to your organization. Asset-based marketing according to the American Marketing Association. And next one, we are going to define the term of the marketing. So marketing is the social and the managerial process by which individual and the groups obtains what they needs and what they go through and creating the exchanging values by between the each others is based in marketing. And now we are going to go with introduction to the marketing management. So marketing management is the art and the science choosing the target market of getting and keeping and growing the customers through creating and delivering communicating superiors with the customer's value. So where you are marketing management is it is the art of getting the right target market to getting and keep on your customers and growing your customers along with your delivering of the prompt good and services with the prompt time is based in marketing management. According to the Kotler, Philip Kotler, so marketing is a human activity directed at satisfying the human needs and wants through an exchange process is based in marketing management according to the Philip Kotler. And according as I admit, given by the Kotler, one more definition. So marketing is easy to teach and to understand, but difficult to practice. And it is very tough. We can learn, we can observe, but it is very tough to be practiced at very few situations. You can rise through by marketing. And what are the core concept of the marketing? The first one, you can identify the needs and wants and demands. And second stage, you want to identify the good and services. And the stage number 3, we want to set the values and cost and to satisfy your customers and the pricing. And how you have been on stage number 4, how your good has been transmitted with exchange of all your transactions between the one hand to another hand. And stage number 5, how the marketers will retain or to plan to sustain your very good relationship with the networks. This is a very important critical stage in marketing. And how to market with the prompt time with the transmitting the good and services with the producer or the manufacturer to the consumers. And next one is the marketers and prospectors, and every marketers want to decide to describe or to define the right prospectors in terms of to reach your right goods. So this is a very simple marketing system. So it is a change of marketing is a one kind of your transmitting your good or transaction or transactions or exchange of communications between the industries and to the market with the collaborative of your good and services in terms of money or in terms of any consideration is set based in marketing system. And now we are going to discuss the topic of the sale and the marketing. So basically define the term as sale and the marketing. The sale is trying to get the customers what to want. So customers to want what the company produces. This is because as in sales. The marketing is try to get the company's products where the customers want is set to be in marketing. So very one more simple term as sale is where the good has been reached with the prompt place with the where the good has been transmitted with the prompt customers with what they required in prompt time is said to be as in sale. But the marketing is where the companies want enforce to try to get what the company will produce, what the customers wants. This is we call as in marketing. In other hand, there is two type of strategies said to be as in pull and push strategy. And pull strategies we call as in sale, and push we call as in marketing, where the customers will enforce to get your commodity in your companies we call as in push strategy. So this is what is given the difference between the sale and the marketing. And thank you so much for this attention to this matter. Thank you so much.